We are multiplying two radicals, and they're both square roots. So we can write that as one radical, that's a squared b, times ab squared. And do you remember the law of exponent? When you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. So that's going to be a to the third, because 2 plus 1 is 3. And then that's going to be b to the third, because 1 plus 2. And we're taking, this is a square root. There's understood to be a 2 there. Let me give myself some room. Let me erase that. So it's the square root of, now, there's a 2 there. 2 will go into 3 how many times? Once. So you bring out an a to the 1. But how many was left over? 1. So you have to leave an a to the 1. That's the remainder, has to stay underneath the square root. Let's repeat the process with the 3, with the b. 2 will go into 3 one time, so bring out a b to the 1. But the remainder is 1, so you leave a b underneath. So your answer is ab times the square root of AB. And that would be answer D.